This is the instruction to fix the tire pressure. First, you position the valve in the upper left half of the tire. And the second, slowly remove the valve cord with the tool in cap. Number 3, allow the tire fully deflate. Number 4, remove object if you find anything. Number 5, attach hose and squeeze the slim. Number 6, reinstall valve cord. Number 7, just add air. Number 8, roll the bike tire to distribute sealant. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. First, you find the position right, and if remove this. Now it's set. Okay. Now we use the second one. We need to release the valve cord, which is this one on top of this. Now hold tight with this thing if you have. Now use this side to release it. Press to anti-clockwise, to do the opposite. Now you have the thing released. Now you release this and follow the instruction. Allow the tire to fully deflate, which is like, okay? And now, if you do not find any object on the tire, that's okay. You just attach the hose. Okay. To it. Now squeeze into it. Squeeze in, squeeze in, squeeze in. Now make sure. If you feel that's not enough, you can always fill more. Fill more with the item tool. Just squeeze it, squeeze it. Okay. You squeeze it until it's full. You can feel it. You can feel it. You see? You can feel it. Now release this and follow the next step. You see? It's full. Now you need to reinstall the valve cord, which is just plug it back in. Okay. Use this on top of it. To reinstall it. Okay, now this is correct, and the last step is to air it up. You can basically find any gas station and they have the air suck, but make sure the original one this shows is a 32 42 psi, but our tire is 45. So make sure you raise it up to 45. Okay? Now just fill the gas. Okay, this is full. Very good. And that's the last step, is to roll the tire and try it. Roll the tire. Roll the tire. To roll the tire is to, because we've squeezed the slim into this is for it to run smoothly inside the tire. Very good, and it's full. Now this is okay.